Set up predictive cash forecasting so that you can make better use of your cash with data-driven continuous cash forecasting. This video is part of a series for setting up predictive cash forecasting. Related videos are linked in the description. In this video, we will look at the steps required to load data in predictive cash forecasting. Loading data in predictive cash forecasting consists of 4 main tasks. In the next few minutes, you will go through the steps on how to access data import templates, then how to import actual, forecast data for cash inflows and outflows, and the bank opening balances. You will see how to run the rules for forecast models and finally push data to the reporting cube to generate insightful cash forecasts. In the first step, you will access the sample data import templates. Navigate to the Configure page. Then from the Actions menu, click Download Data Load Templates. Save a zip file to a local folder and then extract its contents. The templates extracted from the zipped file are based on the features you've enabled and the custom dimensions that you added when you enabled the features. Here is a sample file with the data ready to be loaded. You can see this is for daily period, and actuals will be loaded into this intersection in the application. Specifically, the data will be loaded for the SmartDriver method for FY25. For the second step, we load the data files into the application. Oracle Cloud EPM provides these options for loading data: data integration for complex data mappings, REST API and EPM Automate lifecycle management using artifact snapshots, and the import-export utility. For this video, we will load 3 data files, each for both daily and periodic forecasting, into the Predictive Cash Forecasting application using the import-export utility. Make sure that the required metadata already exists. Actuals include receipts, payments, and marketable securities. The forecast data includes receivables, payables, operating expenditures, and other forecasts, bank opening balances. These reflect the prior day's closing balance and are crucial for starting your forecast. To load data, go to Application Overview, then Import Data. Click Create and set the location as local, source type to default, and file type as delimited. Select and upload the actual data file with daily data. Follow the same process to upload the forecast data and bank balances files with daily data. And then repeat the process for the 3 files with the periodic data. To validate your imports, click the Jobs card on the home page and review the recent activity. You should see 6 completed import data jobs with no errors. Third step. Once the data is imported into the cash forecasting application, you run 3 rules for both the daily and periodic cubes. Process Actual Rule, Process Forecast Rule, Rollup Entity Rule. You can run the rules by searching and launching them from the Rules page. Finally, you will run the data map to push data into the reporting cube. This step enables dashboards and reports with the latest cash data. And that's it, you've successfully loaded actuals, forecasts, and balances, validated the import, and processed your forecasting models. You can now see the data in the PCF, application dashboards, and forecast grids. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.